Busy moms, if your akara absorbs too much oil, doesn't puff, or gets soggy by the next day, this video will fix it. Akara is a Nigerian meal made from blended peeled beans. When you make it at home, you control the oil, ingredients, and freshness. I'm using black-eyed beans. You can use any Nigerian beans you have at home. I'm using onion, cayenne pepper, both red and green, habanero, water, salt, and clean beans. Blend with minimal water. Akara batter should be thick, not runny. Too much water is why your akara soaks oil. Keep seasoning simple. Too much water here will ruin the texture of your akara. Use pause button to blend the beans and allow your blender to rest after every 1 minute. Once the bean starts breaking into tiny pieces, add onion and water for adjustment if you need to. At this time, the bean batter is ready to go into the oil. I will add pepper, blend for 2 minutes to give it a boost. Transfer into a mixing bowl, add salt, and continue to mix until everything comes together beautifully and nicely. This is the correct akara texture. When lifted, it should drop slowly and not flow. Whisking air into the batter helps akara puff. You can use a spoon or whisk. Oil must be hot and not smoking. Test with a small batter drop. It should float immediately. Do not overcrowd the pan. Flip the akara both sides and then let it brown slowly to cook inside. If your akara is flat, oily, or hard, the problem is usually too much water, cold oil, or overmixing after seasoning. Remove from hot oil Dry with paper towel and sieve. Let's talk about how to store your akara. Always cool akara completely before storing. If you store hot akara, it traps steam and causes sogginess. For meal prep, you can freeze akara for up to 1 month. Use freezer-friendly container. Place akara flat and separate them with plastic wrap. Continue to layer until you get to the point that you want. Akara is perfect for breakfast, lunches, after-school snacks, and quick dinners. Once the akara is frozen, remove it and transfer into freezer bags or freezer plates. You can reheat in an air fryer, oven, or pan. Avoid microwave. It makes akara soft and oily. Make once, store smart, and feed your family stress-free. For the same day or next day use, store in a container lined with paper towel and put in the fridge. And it could last for up to 24 hours. This one was stored for 3 days in the fridge, and I wouldn't recommend to leave your akara more than 3 days in the fridge. Subscribe for more Nigerian food made easy. If this is your first time, thank you for watching. Until we meet again, have a nice day.